Yes, our R2D2 has finally arrived. The process, this 3D printing takes a bit of time because after you place the order, it takes at least a week for these to be printed and finished. Let's open our box right away. R2D2. Here's my R2D2. New one, Mike. Now comes R2D2. Let's see how it is. I'm sure it's going to be much better than mine, but it looks like it's shorter than mine. It seems like they really secured it for protection. I would say let's open it, but it's taped up really well, so we'll have to cut through it. They've done a really professional job with the packaging, so much so that opening it is quite a hassle. I don't want to break it either. Since I don't know exactly what will come out of it, I might pull on a part and it could break. I don't want to break it either. Since I don't know exactly what will come out of it, I pull a part of it and it breaks. So we need to be a bit gentle. Yes, I see R2D2 in 3 ways. As you can see, this is actually a storage container. It's small but not too big. Of course, I won't be using it as a storage container. I'll be using it as R2D2. As you can see, it moves nicely like this. But I wonder if my R2D2 is almost the same size as this one. It has this sound. I want to place this inside it, but it didn't work. It's almost the same size. Unfortunately, it did not happen. I was thinking it would be a bit bigger, but unfortunately it didn't fit. I had already asked them to leave this part open, and they did, but unfortunately it didn't settle inside. It seems like they're almost the same size. Unfortunately, it looks like this won't work out. There's nothing we can do, God willing. It seems like there's another leg here. If it had been just a little bit bigger, it would have been great. But unfortunately, that was your R2D2 with sound. I couldn't fit my newly bought R2D2 inside. So unfortunately, I couldn't make that dream come true. I really wanted to do that, but unfortunately, it didn't work out.
Wow.